Hello, welcome back to another Hubspot video. On this chapter, we're going to be looking to how to add a company to our database. To do that is very simple. Click on contacts and underneath you find companies. See, it has taken me to a new page. The database is empty, as you can see. So let's create a first company. At the top right, you find the orange button. Click on that. It's asking for the company domain name. It's already here because I've typed already. So the company website is parrotsecurity.com. The name for the company is called Parrot Security Limited. Company owner, that is not the actual owner of the company, is the owner of the person who's been adding this company to the database. So because I'm logged in as myself, it shows Paulo Basso, but you can find someone else or you can click no owner. But I would recommend just keeping yourself, just to help us keep track of who's been adding what to the database. Underneath that, you have industry. So let's search for information technology services. Underneath, you have the phone number for the company. Here you put the actual phone number of the company, not random numbers as I'm typing in. The type is your partner of ours, maybe it's a vendor, a reseller. I'm going to put a partner, the city they're from, state, if you know it, postcode, if you don't know you can leave it empty, number of employees, this could be an estimate, annual revenue, this can be an estimate as well. Time zone, just put London. Here you can add a bit of a description for the company. Say help us with cyber security and keeping our devices virus free. And the LinkedIn page for the company. I have previously opened the LinkedIn page, so I'm just going to copy that. And you can just click create company. As you can see, the company has been added and we now inside the company profile. So if we go back to our contacts, companies, you see that the company has been successfully added to our database. If I would like to delete a company from the database, I can simply select the companies that I want to delete. I only have one here, so I'm going to select this one. And then you're going to press at the top, delete. A window is going to pop up for you to confirm the amount of companies you have selected. I have one selected at the moment, so I'm going to put one. And then it would press delete. I'm not going to delete on this instance. But if you were to delete a company, you can simply press delete and it would be removed from the database.